Hello everyone, I'm a Japanese essayist, MikanOshidari. Today I have a special news. Okay, this is Japanese English newspaper. Name is the Japan Times. It's please wait. Sorry. So 8 page. Okay. Sorry. Please look this page. How switching from smartphone, flip phone, saved me. Okay. Sorry. Please again. How switched from a smartphone to a smart to a flip phone saved me. It's opinion page. I written this page. Can you look okay? This my name MikanOshidari. I don't speak and write English well, but I change language. Google Trans language and dictionary. I wrote this page. It's very smartphone addiction. It's very important world issue. So I want this page. Many people looking. The Japan Times. It's paper or web page. Please look this page. Thank you. See you.